Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Minque.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Very good. What animal is it?
It's a shark. It's a fish. It's a turtle.
Good. Let's
Eat, cook,
let's
clean.
clean. Good. What is it?
It's a tree. It's a leaf.
Good.
It's a flower.
Good. What is it?
Apple. It's a banana. It's a jelly.
Good. What is it?
It's tomato. It's a carrot.
What are they? They are
Peas.
very good.